If you're diabetic, you need to know these 7 delicious food swaps to help manage your blood sugar. Swap number 1, trade white rice for cauliflower rice. It's lower in carbs and full of fiber. Number 2, choose whole grain bread instead of white bread. It keeps your blood sugar steady. Number 3, replace sugary drinks with sparkling water. Just add a slice of lemon for flavor. Number 4, go for Greek yogurt instead of regular yogurt. It has more protein and fewer carbs. Number 5, switch out your regular pasta for zucchini noodles. They're low carb and nutrient rich. Number 6, use avocado in place of butter. It's packed with healthy fats that help control blood sugar. And number 7, snack on nuts instead of chili. They're crunchy, satisfying, and blood sugar friendly. These easy swaps can make a big difference. Give them a try and feel the change. Chapter 2, Healthy Breakfast Options for Diabetics. In this chapter, we will explore various healthy breakfast options that can help manage diabetes effectively. Starting your day with the right meal is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar level. So let's dive into some delicious and nutritious recipes. First up, we have a classic oatmeal with berries. Opt for steel-cut oats, which have a lower glycemic index than instant oats. Top it with fresh berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds for added fiber and antioxidants. Next, consider a veggie omelette. Use egg whites or egg substitutes and load it up with non-starchy vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Pair it with a slice of whole grain toast for a balanced meal. Another great option is Greek Yogurt Parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with mixed nuts, seeds, and a few slices of fresh fruit. It's a protein-packed breakfast that will keep you full and satisfied. For those busy mornings, a smoothie can be a lifesaver. Blend unsweetened almond milk with a handful of spinach, half a banana, and a scoop of protein powder. It's quick, easy, and keeps your blood sugar in check. Lastly, try avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on a slice of whole grain bread and add a poached egg on top. It's rich in healthy fats and protein, making it a perfect start to your day. These breakfast options are not only delicious, but also help in managing diabetes effectively. Incorporate them into your daily routine and notice the positive changes in your blood sugar levels. Stay tuned for more tips and recipes. Chapter 3, Low-Carb Lunch Ideas. Discover some tasty and low-carb lunch ideas that are perfect for keeping your blood sugar levels in check. These recipes are easy to make and great for your health. First, let's dive into a refreshing chicken salad wrap. Use a whole grain tortilla and fill it with grilled chicken, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette. This wrap is packed with protein and fiber, keeping you full without spiking your blood sugar. Next, try a Zucchini Noodle Stir-Fry. Replace traditional noodles with spiralized zucchini. Sauté with lean protein like shrimp or chicken, and add a variety of colorful, non-starchy vegetables. Season with garlic, ginger, and a splash of soy sauce for a delicious low-carb meal. Another fantastic option is a Quinoa and Veggie Bowl. Quinoa is a great alternative to rice and is lower on the glycemic index. Combine it with roasted vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and broccoli. Add a drizzle of lemon tahini dressing for a burst of flavor. If you're in the mood for something quick and easy, a tuna salad lettuce wrap is perfect. Mix canned tuna with Greek yogurt, diced celery, and a bit of mustard. Scoop the mixture into large lettuce leaves for a crunchy, satisfying lunch. Lastly, consider a cauliflower rice bowl. Sauté rice cauliflower with your favorite veggies and lean protein. Top with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and a dash of low-sodium soy sauce. It's a low-carb, nutrient-dense alternative to traditional rice dishes. These low-carb lunch ideas are not only delicious but also help in managing diabetes effectively. Incorporate them into your meal plan and enjoy the benefits of stable blood sugar levels. Stay tuned for more tips and recipes. Welcome back. Now that you have some fantastic low-carb lunch ideas, let's move on to smart snacking tips that can help you manage your diabetes effectively. Snacking can be a crucial part of your diet, especially when done right. Choosing the right snacks can help keep your blood sugar levels stable and your hunger at bay. First up, consider having a handful of almonds or walnuts. These nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a perfect snack to keep you full and satisfied. Plus, they have a low glycemic index, which means they won't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels. Next, try some Greek yogurt with a few berries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which are great for your gut health. Adding a small number of berries can give you a dose of antioxidants and a touch of sweetness without too much sugar. If you're craving something crunchy, raw veggies with hummus are a great option. Carrot sticks, cucumber slices, and bell pepper strips pair perfectly with a serving of hummus. This combo provides a good balance of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Another excellent snack is a hard-boiled egg. Eggs are a great source of protein and can help keep you full between meals. You can sprinkle a little salt and pepper or add a dash of hot sauce for extra flavor. Lastly, consider apple slices with almond butter. Apples are rich in fiber and vitamins, while almond butter adds healthy fats and a bit of protein. Just be mindful of the portion size to keep the snack balanced. Remember, smart snacking can make a big difference in managing your diabetes. Choose snacks that are high in fiber, healthy fats, and protein to keep your blood sugar levels stable and your hunger in check. Stay tuned for more tips and recipes to help you live a healthier life.